Hello guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Hello people. Good evening. Make I share. Help me to share, my people. How are you? Now, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Depends where you dey, my people. I agree to now. Help me to share, please. More than no verse. So today, as I dey do the shebu na the year. Now, wanna tell me whether na the year. Please, let me know. Let me to know, please. And help me to share also, Help me to share, please. Let me know if the volume is okay. The volume there okay? Good evening. Yes, Adesuwa. Thank you. All right. Help me to share. Help me to share. Thank you very much. Because today, as I dey do the video, the thing, the volume can't get as it be. Let me share to my page. Help me to share also, God bless you all. God bless you. And they come, One and no verse. And they come. Then we go start, Thank you. Help me to share. Thank you. Please help me to share it, All right. Thank you, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. I greet everybody. I greet everybody. More just do fast, Because today, as I want to do, and the thing come, the volume come just block. So I don't know what will happen. I can say, me, I go do in the evening. So, my people, as I was saying, in the afternoon, because of many people will not know what here they talk about. Now that kind of video where just they run up and down, Where we see say one of our sister do. I go show now. When this our sister do for Nigeria, go Nigeria. So this man when they use hand say the romance but you know your boy vie. Me ata your boy re. Or your boy vie you know? That kind of thing, as me, I be married woman, don't let her say, I don't marry for the past 25 years. See somebody like this, and you call this man, say, this man is your godfather. Oh my God, what are you doing? You don't know what you they do so. Huh? You want to destroy person house, which is very bad. You do the video, fine. Why you post them? Now that one, they annoy me, Like say we not see the video now, problem not there. If you do something and you know say the thing is there bad, why will you post it for people to see it? You don't know say person see and then go say this one they call it say now godfather now this man be. Like people me I tell now one thing. I they talk all the time say men then be what would they call galetto. If you be Italian person, you all know what it be galetto. Galetto na hen, okba. E doti okba. Okba, or dangbe. Just carry man. Will not be your husband, not be your boyfriend. The people, the romance was too much. Too much. You know, say person be your godfather, may you dey do one like that. See, if man, you laugh with man. Now no say men, then get the way they say they behave. Men, then be men. The way when you tell look man, you go know say you get interest. The way when you tell look and go say, this one go get interest for me. Or the way when you tell talk to her, you go say, I go feel enter there. Talk less of, say, why you born, why you born like why you second. God reach you waste so the thing, just as I just say, I don't just like her at all. In case of other people where they talk say na my godfather, I beg, if you be godfather mean person wey go dey there for you. Maybe if waiting your, maybe you no get father again, or you get father, or you want waiting your father no fit do for you, maybe your godfather go help you. You need to treat that person as a godfather, the way you want to treat your father also. Not be the one where you go call the romance. They use eye, say they talk to them. They use nose, they talk to them. The man go come say, okay, you want me, because not be boy you say, now he boy you say natural daughter. That means you want me, not be only say me we just they do godfather and goddaughter. The man all the way like bed just on what? The thing vex me I show now, because many people never see the video. As me see and they send and come for me. As they send and come for me, I was like, what it be this one now? Why you they do this kind of thing? This thing not good. Because of the woman. If you get respect for the woman, not do and waiting go touch her. Even though I not say some women there, you go tell your husband say problem not there. If you like me, you dey carry. But me, I not see her with my 2 eyes. You understand? Or marriage join me. Before woman will come say marriage join me. But there are some certain things there when you know they do, make the woman they see her. If they hurt her, maybe woman. If my husband do, if person do my husband like that, or boy any fear, I go cut him. You say person are your godfather. Why you know they treat her as your godfather? Even the man, even they run, they go self. In case of not be said because only this video. Some women there, some girls there, even some men there. You go say that person are my godmother. But the way you go come they send a flower, you go come they do many things. That means what would they say cottejare? Cottejare, that is you they toast them. You understand? You can't they toast the man. It's not your godfather again, or not be your godmother again. Many things there where we they see about this thing. Now so they say they finish for bed. Later I go say I get belle. And you come here say godfather don't give goddaughter belle. Because of some women will not feel stay their oh say your lane. If you know say wanna watch her. The thing they very, very bad. Good evening. I greet you, Brown. I greet you. This is your you know see this Joy. And this is that your problem? Joy, so it's my problem. Oh, you never know. That means you they do that kind of thing. Stop it. Don't do it anymore. You want to destroy the house, Joy. Joy. You say whether not my problem. Get that back because the man a married man. Okay? If person do it to me. If I'm an equal so wife you boy. If you why destroy a marriage man. Woman. Person like that woman, she go there for social media. See that thing. Say goddaughter they romance the husband. Oh, where's what? What did they breed that leg? You romance my husband now not be your boyfriend. Now your godfather. Una wa romance ya sekun. You born like ho. The man they try to you know say some men they know they like to they embarrass women. You understand? Cause that man for your tenant say stay your lane. But some men they know they like to do that kind of thing. But we women, we they like to they embarrass, you know, they do a problem no day. How you go do that kind of thing? Camera there everywhere. How you go do and the man a person where they know his name. You understand? You not do that kind of thing. Person like Joy go see they do that kind of thing. And they make and they ask whether not my problem. Now my big problem. Because to save now, because all this kind of women, we like to our husband we go put our oja come here. No, don't go that side. Come this side. Because of say waiting now. So Joy, mind your business, you go on any. If person do bad, you tell them. Until I see the video, even though say the woman no, say your husband na gigolo, no, man where they be young, be him, you know, that respect you fit give that woman, give her, even though say the woman even there or something like that, don't do like that, no, you not get respect. That is you there. I don't know, wait out, because as I see the video, I was very, oh dear, wait till be all this one. Why not they do this kind of thing? Why not they do this kind of thing? No good. The man a married man. Even though say no even married, as far as you don't call and say na your godfather, say your lay as a goddaughter. You go say your lay. Don't do that kind of thing. You romance her. That one a romance. Not be only say just to touch and small. Even when your wife safe, when are there outside, your wife they do you like that. Your husband go tell her say, may we finish inside house. You understand? Because you make her understand, say, let's go to bed. You understand? You are making the man to understand, say, I want you inside my ojegbe. Where the man go, you know say men now, men. The way because I not blame the man. No, I not feel blame the man. Now the women, because I be woman also. If you be woman, you need respect. Don't do something, Emma, you dey fool yourself also. Because when you say this person, now your godfather. Now your godfather, do as a godfather. Because this kind of godfather now, me, I don't understand that. You know, if you carry your father now, maybe they use your hand, say they rub band like that, or your ball, or even the man they run. The man don't try to, if you not see the video, now saw the man just, because if the man come the embarrassment, but not when you now, call the fair way one wrong go, or here, your boss here, they know they do like that. Not do like that. Even person will not be your own, will not be your husband, will not be your boyfriend. If you want torture, na hand or boy adaiji, no say our people here man here hang bebe yoni. You just carry your hand one move like man. But no, they don't do like that. Put your hand for your place, because that thing not belong to you. If na man, if na woman, don't put your hand. Then you'll see some people go say, no met in the man your door, so that is no, don't touch me. You understand? You don't need to touch person like that, They do one kind. You know, be the person not be your own. The man now your godfather. Do as a goddaughter. Also, they follow and stay back as you stay back. Not they do one like that. They romance, they go, they touch and go reach you waste. They can't wear your buff you wear. You know good. For those people, some of not be only because of her. Many they like that. You go send her godfather. You go they send her something sweet. How was your night? I had this one. You go they send her things. Men, their brain is they different from our own. And they talk about men. When on your see and they talk say, oh yeah, man, if that is something don't get up. You know they know his sister. Do you understand? You know they know his sister. If you think get up, now where you want to come put now they fine. So the best thing, stay your lane. Not go wake a family. That one is family. If you go wake a family now, another thing can happen. Or talk as because now you they call her. Because when you they call somebody say come, and the man and mudia, it can always swage or igualo. Not the truth. Because when you call you say maybe this one happen now, say then they day for this thing can anagbe. What of if they come to hotel, say maybe I want go sleep and daddy bye you your ball like then now. Daddy when we die the man you see your ball, it they happen now. It does see your ball daddy. Cause it dance more now for inside house. Okay, sit down, are your book kind. If you like this one now, we know why your book wipe. Okay, hotel, no care, you need to be a now the truth, now man. So for me, I not come here, come blame the man. The woman supposed to behave as a daughter. Not be only she, many, those one where they do like this also. No man they do like that. If you guess, if you know, say you get your godfather, that man, if they do like it, that is like your own father. Not do one the way you say they do maybe your boyfriend or maybe person where you want on the toast her. Especially when the man know. And when you know say the man get wife. You carry am, you will post am for people to see. Anybody wey see that video, wey talk say wetin he do, na e not bad, e good. That means the day when they go still carry your husband for your hand, now people go still tell you say e not bad, it's still good. Wetin good, e good. See my big sister, Ario 1. I greet you. So now wetin good, na good. Wetin bad, e bad. So me good, me we dey tell ourselves. One, if you even though say na your godfather, you don't own right in na only wife, na you get that right. No ya your boy beke no home your boy 19. Once not be your own, because the man knows say you define me, you are looking for me. And so now, you don't even need to tell and say you need them, because the way we tell they do it's like I need you. Now you show for them, my sister. Now the truth of the matter, So I not come here, can't insult anybody. But when I see her, me not like her. If person do to my husband, oh boy, any wafin, I go find her from today. I know 1 year say godfather. Never. Because you not behave as a goddaughter. Now the truth, my people. If you behave as a goddaughter, fine and good. Stay the back for them. I say they dance, they did there. Not be say you go join. Hygiene quoi. O bien there or what's in now? It's bad. It's very, very bad. Behave well. May person for the respect you. I pray may they tell us may delete that video. You not fine for face, okay? I greet you. Good evening, princess. You not fine for face to see. You not fine. So I just say I just put on small for other people where they misbehave, they do anyhow. Na my God, na my godfather, na my godmother. Now so it still be when they'll say them be godmother. I gotta send a flower give godmother. You don't do that. Why you go send a flower go give your godmother? Every blessed good morning go send flower. Good morning. No, now your husband ain't supposed to send that flower. Maybe you want send flower. Say you want send the birthday. Finish. Stay your lane. No go they do another thing where they not call you put. It's not good, my people. My beautiful people. It's not good. The truth is good, may we talk. Of course, because if person will go talk, say, it not mean anything. Now this one, no. If you do, a person go still do you. Person go still do you one day. Man will not be my own. If I want greet him, oh, boy, now go give her good morning or good afternoon. Hands. I know go meet and say, I'll go the rubber, I'll come they do that kind, no, come they brother, or you come they touch her for year. No, you don't do that. You don't do that. Because once you go, they touch my anyhow, you don't understand. Say, you want me for inside your bed. Now the brain will make again, I be that one. Once you don't, they do one kind, all you wear your bed, you're born where what? Oh, what born when, a boy day, I beg you, not talk that one, not be normal thing. No, don't do that. Maybe you not see the video. Well, which one? They not normal thing. You not do bad. You do bad. If you tell us say not do bad, next time go still do one. Before you know it, you can't hear say goddaughter don't get belly. Okay? Not talking now. Woman they have. Sinya wa we man for that time. All right? You do bad, Not talk that one. Say not do na normal thing. Not be normal thing. No. Don't do it, Who read that message? Who read that comment? If you be man, not be normal thing, oh. Don't try it, Say na normal thing. Oh, we can't have any you, okay? The way we go tell you away, no which kind of normal thing be that one carry another man who are aroma say iyeke. Not be saying just when you like you know when you with your husband go there from somewhere, you know what may it will me go with other people. You gbegbe ya why you gbegbe ya push any ya away. It's not your husband. Leave the man made free. Now your daddy, leave him. Do and say daddy. So it's not normal thing, my people. Who thought that saying a normal thing? I know say some of you now. Any normal man or what when a normal thing. It's not normal. Normal. Or revani or revani. You don't do that thing. On a milk besonia zed already wiko. Some people there now, something way not even reach this one. Boyfriend and girlfriend, it be never some wiko. That means you defriend this girl. The way we take they look you, the way we take they talk to you, the way we take they touch you. It they happen for a side party. As well was soon. Some women, they don't know how to stay their lane. Put yourself for your where you belong to. Put yourself there. Now they cause a problem. You not feel like go wiko. Before you can't know the man come to say, I don't even know the girl. I don't know why they touch me like that. Not touch my way, not be your own anyhow. You don't do that. Give her your hand. Ah, bros, I greet you. This one, I greet you. This one. And why you girl, some people go just go sit down for a laugh. No. So it's not normal thing at all. So my people, now this one just want me, I just talk about. Like this one, we talk saying a normal thing. My brother be my sister. Never. It's not normal thing. Person will not be your own. You get the way when they talk to her. When you talk to her, you know, may not talk say you need them. Like this one now, you be goddaughter. Stay as a goddaughter. The man, they one kind of thing, they even this. Oh, you know, so no. You don't know, say camera there, yeah. Why you they do me like this? No? So, it's not good. It's not normal. So, my beautiful people, I greet everybody. I don't want to take on a time too much because tomorrow on a Monday, everybody get what you want to go do. So, not be normal. Please, when you are a goddaughter, stay your lane. Stay your lane. Now, so it's be for saying that my godson be this one. Stay your lane. When the woman is not free, he there for husband house. Say that to stay. Who were to stay? That one where you do that one. That one cottejare. You know, say I just like you. All your body. No. Leave the body for your wife. No touch am. But the man no complain. How the man go complain? See you now. How the man go complain? You don't see man where they complain where woman they touch am. They not see man no dey way go complain. The man way go complain where woman they touch am. Who again near here where na be the person. You understand? The man no go complain oh. He complain. Man no dey complain when woman they toast am. Ologo. If you tell you feel they laugh for you, I get wife for her, but it's something for all that go they get up. Now so it be. Okay? No man they complain when woman they touch am. But you as a woman, now you go respect yourself. If you not respect yourself before you know moye bedi wow vaiwa or igwa no way or ya go from today I don't want you as a goddaughter because woman we goddaughter agbo. Goddaughter they different because what you need na be that thing. Ini ogwa lo egbin your man don't need the godfather. Any yahari atamoma, maybe sometimes we go still they use our brain. Okay? So my people, let me be going. I don't talk to, I don't still talk my own as I still know I reach anybody where try and to person where heads or who resa long or I go if you see that your husband what to lemon. Now so it be. Again na give me other mark boy. If you get your own your boy that you see a anybody where you use I tell one last use your boy your how one day I let you can no go love. They go do you no worry favor, they go do you. They will do you, man. No me can I will nothing. See, when woman will tell your husband, say that for me, if you want marry, join me. Join me. They know the sue woman where really want me husband marry, join her. Okay? They know they see. It's just that I want be a jealousy or raw. Talking or say you be goddaughter. Goddaughter is coming piano small to come and thief my husband away. I beg, not be normal thing. Oh. Who tell you say husband not there again? Husband not there. Husband not there again. Not be the one way one chook for inside run through away. Not be that one. Husband, you know what it be husband. Husband not there important. Who you do leji even go aloji. He not there again. So I didn't want way get where say you get your husband. One of your boy via daiji. Otherwise, why be say hook up there? Husband not there again. No one won't get your baby via daiji. Bagging be. Wa there way sikira de. Sikira ni ode no do eko do ya egbegbe ya mi ewe no ni ya we ni daddy we ko usu say your hu why you say your hu the other from when na so it be. So husband not there again, my people. Now so it be, my people. I greet you, thank you. Now as husband not there. See, okay, like you now where they say, you know, say, yes, some people, way, now dollar, the one where they don't repair, nice some they find. They no want make them use their hand to repair their own. No, already made. The one where they don't do finish. Na dology ne ya coin. Awa coin. Ona do ye shiny. Ari hem when. Na that one then they run after. If a tuke man turn and say now, how are you? He go say, not tell you say, level up my way. Are we mates? No, because that one now. They don't doleji well. So I'll just piano is the only way I need. I'll come be another one. Now so some women be. Wanna go find on now, husband day. If you want go find your own, not find already made. That one are already made and he get person, he get children, he get wife. Respect them. Or even though say now even they do say what dangbe, what they do show that one not good now. If you wife say okay, anything way they do, I don't want know. May you they do one. When you have the dear, you don't know you wife go see him. It no good. Emma. Some women know say their husband and you get angbe. But no let them see him. If you can't see him, only Emma will wear. Everybody see him for social media. I want to moje bani. Oh, be aware. Boyfriend you wear. Say so. Your godfather. Romance kere wa de ken wa no kie mi no wa zegeri ejo. You no good though. No good. Now the truth I they talk, So I know say some people go say, na normal. If you be woman, they'll do it to you, not worry. They'll do it go still be normal for you. But for me, it's not normal. If you be my friend, say your lay. Leave my husband alone. Not just even look at. They look me. Now me and you. Once your hand I don't see and say don't they long. I'll say no come again. I beg. Say your own because yet you were. Now so it be now so they say they do. Okay, no so ya me wodo. Who do I ni I die no. It's too late to cry. It's too late to cry. Wait, get it's too late to cry, So now so it be my people. You not be say person no they get a friend or something like that, but you they like to say your own. Say behave well. If you not behave well, you not good. You they would respect you no only you know any not say ya well. This is a goddaughter to my husband. Because of my trust you well. Because it might be something where ya pien. Your back when the banny irrespective my phone, it don't finish. So that's how it be, my people. Good night. God bless you for being here. One love, keep us together. Stay your lane, okay? Respect yourself as a woman. Not they use your body till they find man way get wife, especially. You free. You be free woman. Look for another person, Look for another person, not be another person, Especially when you know, say the family, they respect you, they respect them. Why? Because of small thing, you want go lose your respect for them. Small thing, you will lose your respect. Now the truth, the woman can't they use that eye till they look you. Even though say maybe you not even think of something like that, but our man once as you don't see him, you know that kind of thing. How do I have them So now so it be, my people. I greet everybody. Princess Serio, I love you, my mama. God bless you all. I love you. Peace. I love you. Thank you, everybody. One love. Now bye bye. Tomorrow is school. Ciao. Bye bye.